largest in the United States. The largest indoor facility, I apologize. We are going to go play Airsoft and shoot some stuff. Everybody gonna get the pew pew today.
Everybody gonna die.
Everybody. Pew pew. I recently got a tattoo done on my thigh, so I had to put on like extra protection. We used a winter hat, leggings, and like a gauze wrap to sort of get it sealed and covered and ready to go. And then I have sweatpants on top of it. So hopefully it doesn't hurt because it's only like 2 days old. So let's do this.
So you go oh, you gotta keep it. That's the safety. Yep, that's the safety, extra safety thing. Of course, yo, when if you guys go to the outside field, so much better.
Yeah, we were watching videos last night because I was trying to like hype him up. Because he really wanted me to come. I'm like, babe, just watch the videos. You're gonna have so much fun. And my sister was like, yeah.
Oh, they got bathroom? Okay, that's why they're gonna
You gotta do a video. You got shower? Damn. Hand on the forehead. Let's check your forehead. Let's see if there's any proof. No, nothing yet.
I got a hard head. But it's this thing. I felt that. I go, oh, yeah. It's like, holy shit. I'm walking away. I'm going like, how the hell he got that little spot?
Alright guys, don't come at me for this window because it is not mine. But I played every round. This is the last round. I'm sitting out so you guys can sort of see some of the action of what's gonna happen. So that's a respawning tent, and there's another one all the way over there. But I want you guys to be able to enjoy some of it since I can't really have cameras in there, because if not, like, obviously your phone will break. I have been shot a couple times, but it's been good. It's been good. All right, so at this point, what happens is one of the teams now has to walk out to the other side without being hit. So they're just walking to the other spawning area. I lied. Okay, so I guess what they're doing right now is they're hiding the laptop. So the goal right now is to find a specific laptop and bring it back to your barrack. So that is what they're doing. All right, so the team that Larry is on is green, and it has been decided that they will be the ones walking the field. So they are about to start walking around that corner to head over to the other side. So you may not see a lot of action about Larry unless he comes up this way, but it's tough to get to the other side. That's him right there with the white hoodie. Alright, so pretty soon you're gonna hear 3 bells ring, and that means it'll be time for them to start. So it should be any minute now. But it's set up really cool. Like, there's a prison. This right here is like, I think this one was a store or something like that. And the prison's over there. There's a Library. There's a whole like apartment complex in there on the other side. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll show you guys the map a little later once I get down there. I'll take a picture of it. Oh. That's the one ring to let you know. And there they go. You're gonna see them start running out. So because they have something specific they need to do, there's not as much shooting because they need to find what they're looking for. The last round it was kill all, so there was a lot of shooting. So that guy was walking with his hand up because he got hit. So he's considered dead. Now he has to go back to the tent to respawn. Earlier there was a lot of guys here that it was more like tactical military guys. You can tell they had like military experience because of how they were coming out. It was crazy.